Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After creating an accountant's copy of your company file, you will see the Accountant's Changes Pending message within the title bar of the company file. You may also notice that some tasks, such as deleting accounts within the chart of accounts, cannot be performed on a company file when it is waiting on changes from an accountant. If it turns out you will not be importing changes from your accountant, you can remove the restrictions placed on your company file after creating an accountant's copy. If you do this, you will not be able to import any changes to your company file from the existing accountant's copy. However, you will be able to restore the full functionality of your company file. To remove restrictions from a company file, open the company file. Then select File, Send Company File, Accountant's Copy, Remove Restrictions from the menu bar. In the message box that appears on screen, check the checkbox and then click the OK button to remove the accountant's copy restrictions.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.